Hello everyone, Jeff Schwan here with Schwan and Associates to talk about mileage tracking. How do you track your mileage? I use a simplified method of using a mobile app, an app called Everlance. You can see it right here on my dashboard as I open it up. It'll bring up my unclassified routes that I have thus far. But what we want to do is we want to turn on the auto detection under tracking settings. So here it will now auto detect any trips that you make in your vehicle as soon as you reach 5 kilometers an hour or greater. So once I turn that on, I'm now just going to close the app. And I am now ready to go on my business trip. Okay, so now that we have reached our destination and the trip has stopped, you will see that there is now a notification from Everlance saying new trip. So if you drill down on that a little bit, you can classify it just from the notification itself saying that it's work or personal. Or if we want to open the notification, we can see the trip itself. From the start time to the finish, from point A to point B, and then we can classify it within here. We could also add notes if we wanted to say that this was a trip to charity event and then if you swipe it, can classify it to the work. Now if we clicked on the All tab, you can see that it's been classified as work. And because I have entered my per mileage rate, it has calculated 4 kilometers being $2.17. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you.